Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 8 of the Advent of Code, the challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about today's problem and all this stuff. Yeah, no intro today, kind of hectic day as usual. But yeah, do I have everything ready? I think I have everything ready, so without further ado, let's go. Let me actually set up the windows in a way so that I could click through them easier. I thought I had it set up, but I was very wrong. Sorry, friends. Alright, there we go. Okay, there we go. There we go. Alright, 3, 2. Wait, why did I click on stop on this one? Reset. Okay, there we go. 3, 2, 1, go. What the hell? Alright. A and Z, so yeah. Okay, you have to follow the left right instructions. What does this mean? RL, that you have to look up the right one. Go right, and then you go CCC and then L. Okay, so you would CCC in 2 steps. Okay, of course, if you want to repeat the sequence. Okay, so it takes 6 steps. Okay, how many steps to reach? Okay, wow, what is going on? Okay, so yeah. Have a box thing. Oh, geez, caps lock. Okay, so let's say we have these blocks. Let's look at input, okay. And then blocks sub 0 is going to be instructions. And then mapping is going to be box of 1, okay. And then now for mapping is terrible, but for line and mapping, what are we doing? Line dot. This is parse. So many parsing things. Okay. I'm just blanking out on the thing. Rest dot split. Right. Is the left right and then left. I think we have to get rid of, what's it called? It's not trim. I always forget what it's called and they tell me strip. Okay, fine. Strip, and then also, I think there's also like a thing, right? Strip, right dot strip, right dot strip, dot strip in general, I think. Right, is that a thing? Okay, that's good enough, I think. Name left, right. I think the name actually technically is still okay, fine. That's not great. Alright, but left still. I thought I could strip, left strip maybe? I don't know how to replace it, but okay, fine. I guess we just have to do. Alright. I guess that's why. I am taking so much time on parsing. I need to. Alright. Alright, there we go. Map left of name is equal to left and right of name is what I am so bad today. Left right, okay, fine, there we go. And then now for instruction for, okay, so current is equal to AAA while current is not equal to ZZ. Steps is equal to 0. Right, so yeah, steps, so instructions of step mod length of instructions why did I pick the long word? Okay. D is equal to directions. If D is equal to left, then current is equal to map of current sub 0, else current, this could be shorter, but that's fine. Okay, right? M is not defined, I knew that. Wow, this takes a long time, so that's not great. Why? Tell me why. GG indeed. Is this on the test? It is on the test. What is on the AAA, CCC. Right, left. Huh? Right, left. Okay, I am apparently dumb because there's only one line, so it's and I didn't print anything, so that makes it hard to get the right answer. Man, today is not a fast day too. Okay, quick. Alright, split, kind of a slow time, but okay. Obviously, that's going to be part 2. I knew that was going to be part 2, but start every node that ends with... Number of nodes ending with A is equal to number of nodes. Okay. Your goals are just and from all pattern until they all simultaneous end of... Okay. I see. I mean, it's just this LCM, right? So, okay, fine. Okay. I mean, if my part 1 was faster, or earlier, if I did it faster, I mean, this would be not that bad, but instead, it is what it is. Okay. Self start. I don't know how to tap this. Okay, fine. That's not how you do it. I'm too lazy. I have it somewhere, but okay. Return steps. Right. That's not true, right? It doesn't have to be GCD, right? Because you can have Zs in multiple cases. Like it doesn't have like the. I mean, in theory, in the general case, you'll be like the row function thing, right? Let's see. I don't know. I don't think this works in a general case, but I don't know if this works for the input. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so let's just say starts is equal to if name we start append name. Okay, fine, right? For start and starts, self start. I don't think so. So I'm just gonna print this out and see if you know. One that does that help? Nope, I don't think so. So print starts. AAA is that? Oh, I think I had to do this one. Oh no. What? Okay, I guess I have to do this. Okay. Part 2. Wait, what? Yeah, that should be good. I don't get it. Okay, fine. Let's print it out real quick. Steps current 1A, 1B, XXX. Left, right, left, right, left. I mean that seems reasonable. Are my starts wrong? One A, two A. Okay. Yeah, no, that seems right. Then why is it not giving me what I think I want? Print steps current. D. One A. We go left. Okay. And then we return, right? Why we what is going on? Alright, let's also start, and maybe the 11A goes to 11A, and then 11B. 11B is left again because I tapped incorrectly. Alright, so we have 2, 3. That is 6, but I'm not convinced that that's the right answer. That's a long bad debugging. Actually, it seems like there's only 6 things, so let's figure it out then. Okay, so you have all these answers. 1 GC is equal to GCD of 1 or G self start, right? C is equal to self start, and then G GC is equal to GCD, G and C. Then now G is equal to GC C times G over GC, which is kind of very awkward saying, but okay, fine. Is it math.gc? Is that really? I don't know. Okay. I mean, I have 1 minute to debug anyway. I'm not confident about this one. Okay, it is right actually. I don't think that's the general case. I think that's the problem. But I also just had I had this idea immediately. This thing cost me like, I don't know, a couple of minutes, because I think everything else was right. I mean, I would have gotten this other part pretty quickly because I knew what I wanted to do. But I can't believe that this cost me quite a bit. Yeah, how would I have done on the leaderboard? Let's see, because I think all the top people would have gotten it pretty quickly. The part 2 part. I'm definitely did not finish on the top 100 on both parts, but I think I just struggled on the silly things. I need to do better on the parsing on part 1 and part 2. I don't know. I knew what to do immediately. I knew what to do immediately. I also know the cases in which it could fail, but I just thought I'm gonna try this and see if it works. I don't know. We can also put. I wonder if the GCD also like. So you definitely need to do the GCD. Okay. But, I mean, I got 6 minutes. If my part one was fast enough, then my part two would have been on the leaderboard. But I probably and this is actually even with me like messing up on part. Like, okay, so my part one was 6 minutes. If I had done part two in 2 minutes or something like that, I still would have been on the leaderboard. I even had like 4 minutes to do it. Yeah, I just said I took 7 minutes because of the debugging. I don't know. Let's go over Q. Let's go over this, right? Oops. First of all, the Q part one. I don't think I have to. I don't think I have to explain. Let me know if I do in the comments. Part one, we just kind of simulate, keep going, and you end up, finishing at some point. For part two, it's kind of funny because I think I mentioned it on one of my travel videos for whatever reason, but yeah, the GCD is just the least common multiple to get to, or this problem is about getting the least common multiple. I'm not label these kind of terribly, and the least common multiple is of course of A and B is equal to A times B over GCD of A and B, and yeah, and the reason why that is pretty fundamental to how least common multiple works. It literally is in the name. The least common multiple is the next number in which it is divisible by both numbers, right? Or yeah. So I think that's basically the idea behind that. But for me, the hardest part, and maybe there's something with the left-right part. I mean, the proofs, I haven't really thought about it yet. I kind of YOLO on the proof, as you saw. But because I could imagine there's a thing where, there's a, what's it called? You need to use the turquoise and the hair algorithm for its cycle detection-y thing. You have a thingy, and then you have like multiple of those and try to figure out how to kind of mash them together. And I don't know that isn't a thing. Maybe the left-right part of it is a specific case that doesn't allow for that to happen. If that's so, let me know in the comments. The proof is kind of tricky for that, so I don't know. I feel like this is one. There's a lot of opportunities here. I should have gotten this one earlier. Should have gotten this one quicker. Part two really should have yeah, okay. There's some time I wasted for like copy and paste or whatever, but also and even part one, I kind of had some like pausing things and misunderstood some of my own libraries, but like this is a very easy for me. Like I wouldn't phrase it that way. I just mean that like this problem plays to my strength, and I didn't take advantage of it. I think that's what I want to say. Not that it's easy for me. I mean, clearly, but I have to go back to the tapes to kind of have a full post-mortem of how long I spent on this tabbing. I need to figure out how to do this in a more cleaner way. I forgot how to do the Emacs right shift thing that I had set up, but so that's why. Maybe it's just like what indent. Let's see. Maybe I would indent something, right? Indent region. Tab. Nope. I think if I had new, I think it's not indent region. There's like a shift something. I don't know. I forget what it is. It's not something I use that common. But individually, right? Maybe no. Because if I had done that, then oh no, that's what happened. And then the steps, something happened that made it like, and it's also off by one somehow. Huh. On the indentation, it's all really weird. I don't know. But yeah, if I had the correct indentation on the copy and paste, then this was This would have been way fast. I don't know. Anyway, I mean, I didn't even do it, so I guess it is what it is. But yeah, that's what I have for today. Let me know what you think. I don't know if I have a proof for part two. I think the general case is way trickier. It's not undoable. It's just way hard. But yeah, and also the case where I think that so there are two trick cases for part two that I had to convince myself to not do. One is the row function thing. The other one is that there are multiple z's, which is kind of also yeah, I don't know what to say about this one. Because for example, you can imagine a case where like I don't know, or in a ridiculous case, let's say in one of the characters or one of the names path, like 4 out of 10 ends of Z or something, right? And then now how do you do that? I don't know, to be honest. So is it in the problem? Let me reread the problem a little bit. I kind of spread through it and kind of generalized a little bit and also like guessed on the assumptions. But yeah, I don't think they say it. It's not clear to me. Yeah, I don't know. Definitely very weird. I should have kept ends as well, but for debugging. I mean, it turned out I didn't need it, but yeah. Mhm. Yeah, when I saw this, I was like, oh, that's more enough that I could at least YOLO try. Because if this didn't work, then I would have had to do some crazy things. Or at least I have to look at like the inputs and kind of figure out how to kind of run them together. Um, I mean, there's stuff that you can do, but it's just very tricky. So I don't know. This one's a little bit weird because, in the sense that you have to guess some of the assumptions. I don't know. Anyway, I am gonna call it a night. So stay good, stay healthy, take good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye. Hope y'all had a great advent of Coke. So keep going. Bye.